Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a pleasure having you guys here. Just want to thank everyone that subscribed to this channel. I am so grateful that you're here watching this video. And if you're a first timer, kindly hit the like button, comment and subscribe. On this channel I post skincare tutorials, how to grow your business on social media, and different fun stuff that you will surely enjoy. So on today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hair growth oil with just 6 ingredients. Yes, 6 ingredients. When it comes to hair, it's always sometimes you just let your hair breathe. It's not every time you plait your hair or retouch and all that. Sometimes you just let it breathe and apply things that will help to straighten the hair and make it grow. Yeah, so let me show you what my hair is now. You can see how long my hair is. This is the oil I actually used to achieve this hair growth. Before, my hair was really short, it was cutting due to use of relaxer. So I started using this hair growth oil, and look at, just within a short period of time my hair gain strength and it's really growing. Like, look at it, look at how full and long it is. Yes, that's how nice this oil is. And I use like natural things for my hair. Yes, this oil, we use natural things to make it. So without wasting much time, let's go into the video. So I'll be showing you the ingredients I will use for this hair growth oil. First of all, we need rosemary leaves, then cloves, then black seed, then this is castor oil, then this is coconut oil, and this is olive oil. So what I'll do, I'll put this in the oil in a bowl, then I'll blend everything. All this, I'll blend it together and immerse it in the oil and let the oil sit for at least 6 weeks before I start using it. So let me just go and grind it now. Grind everything, all this together, all these ingredients together. Okay, so I have actually grinded the things. So what I will do now, I'll put it in this oil and leave it to sit for at least 6 weeks. Maybe I'll put it under the sun and let it sit for at least 6 weeks. Then after that, I'll sieve it out and the oil is ready for use. So let me just pour it in and put it in. So I've put it in now. So I'll just let it sit under the sun. I'll let it sit under the sun. Then after 6 weeks, I'll sieve out this thing, and my hair growth oil is ready. So you guys, thank you all for watching. Please kindly like, comment and subscribe and ask your questions. I'm always available for any questions you have regarding skincare or anything, any video you have seen and you need to ask questions on it. I'm always available. So see you next in my next video. Yeah, bye.